All right, folks, welcome back to another episode of the Outdoors and Fords with Joel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use Bluecruise in the brand new 2023 Mustang Mach-E. Those of you who just purchased a vehicle or you're just curious, follow along. I'm going to be showing you how to use it, how to activate it, and what steps it's going to take to make sure it works once you get on our big highways that are capable with the Bluecruise. Join us. You're going to hit that. We're going to go to driver assistance. We're just going to make sure all the settings are on what they should be. So the biggest one is going to be this one right here, cruise control. So adaptive cruise control is what you want it set at. And lane centering with hands-free, that needs to be on as well in order to make your Bluecruise work. In-lane repositioning is a good idea to have on as well. So make sure that's on. Our lane keeping system is going to need to be turned on the vehicle. So on the Mach-E, it's going to be on your steering wheel. On, I think, every other model too, it's going to be on your steering wheel. It's going to look like two little lines with arrows beside them, or it'll look like a steering wheel with lines beside it. So either way, we're going to hit that button and it's going to make sure that the lane keeping system is on. Now that we have the right settings, we're going to head out to the 401 and we're going to show you how this thing works. All right, guys, on the navigation screen here, you'll see how the 401 is a darker shade of gray than the rest of the roads. That means it is a Bluecruise capable road. So we can use this, we can use Bluecruise on this road. All the other roads around that are just a lighter gray, we cannot use. And all I'm going to do is this button right here on the left side of my steering wheel. That's the cruise control button. I'm just going to push that button, and what you'll see the screen do up here is it's going to activate Bluecruise. So it says Bluecruise on, watch for the road, be prepared to resume control. So I can actually put my hands down, I can put my hands and feet wherever I am. I'm not doing anything right now. The vehicle is completely driving itself. One really cool feature that Ford's done as well with the new version of the Bluecruise is they've integrated a lane changing option as well. All you do is you simply turn your signal light on. It's going to check to make sure there's no one in that spot, and then it's going to change lanes. So I'll just put my hand over here, turn my signal light on. I'm not going to steer, preparing to change lanes, and that's it. Then I just turn my signal light off. Go down a little bit, and it'll still change lanes for you as long as it's safe. Now I can set my speed. I can go up, I'll go up to 115, and it will keep me in this lane centered, fully steering everything as long as my eyes stay on the road. So if I look down, if I look at my phone, if I drink my coffee and block the sensor right here, that sensor is what, it's an infrared camera in there that's watching my eyes at all times. So if I either close my eyes or if I'm holding my phone in front of that or a coffee in front of that sensor, it's going to come here and it's going to say eyes on the road. If you don't, it'll make you resume control of the vehicle. All right, folks, that's it. Thanks for following along another episode. Hope you enjoyed the video. Comment any questions or anything underneath, or like and subscribe if you want some more. All right, see you on the next one.